family, Mr. V here. Today we're going to be looking at this Toro 60 volt cordless power shovel. I did order it online and then I picked it up from my local Ace Hardware store. So if you're interested, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below so you can pick up one for yourself. Alright, let's tear this open and put this bad boy together. Out of the box, we do have this lithium battery charger from Toro. We have the 2.5 amp lithium ion battery, 60 volts. We have the body itself, and we have a little handle that we're gonna attach. And we also have a little wrench that I believe it's what we're gonna be using to help attach the handle. So let's put this bad boy together, okay? So depending on your comfort level, I think you can adjust this wherever you think it's gonna be better for you. And once that's in place, then you can go back and attach all 4 screws. So right now we have everything put together. In order to charge this battery, obviously you're going to plug this into a power outlet and this will snap right in, just like this. And there you go, there's some lighting here that's going to indicate charging battery. Watch out for that. I'm actually not sure how much power is already in here because I haven't charged the battery yet. But I am going to put it in and see if I can get the motor running just to test it out. So to put in the battery, you should hear a click when the battery is inserted properly. There you go, you heard the click and then it shots right in. In order to start the motor, if you look here closely, you're gonna see 2 like levers here. You gotta hold both of them together at the same time, and that should be able to start the motor. We are gonna try that right now. There it works. I'm gonna lift it up so you can see it. So in order to remove this battery, if you look here, you're gonna see like a gray button that you can push and then pull out the battery. So pretty much you just push down on that and it's comes right up, and that's it. We're all done setting this bad boy up. Now I just can't wait for the snow so we can test it and see how much power it is and how much snow it can actually clear. Thanks for tuning in and watching the video. As usual, please remember to like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment with your questions, concerns, or even suggestions. Thanks again for watching and peace out.